Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Today, I am taking you inside a stunning luxury home by Toll Brothers, located in the beautiful Overbrook Estates community in Huntersville, North Carolina. So, if you're looking for luxury living near Lake Norman while still being close to Charlotte, this community is definitely one you will want to add to your list. Overbrook Estates is a brand new community that will feature 357 single-family homes and is conveniently located just minutes from Lake Norman, Birkdale Village, Davidson, Uptown Charlotte, and the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. One of the things that makes this community stand out, though, is the lifestyle it offers. Residents will enjoy future resort-style amenities, including a modern clubhouse with gathering spaces, a kitchenette for entertaining, a competition-style swimming pool, covered patios, and a cozy fire pit lounge perfect for relaxing with family and your friends. Homeowners can also enjoy direct access to the McDowell Greenway, making it easy to get outdoors and enjoy walking, running, and biking trails. The HOA is currently $125 per month and includes access to the amenities, pool maintenance, common area upkeep, and the streetlights throughout the community. Another great feature of this community is the opportunity to personalize your home through the Toll Brothers Design Studio, allowing buyers to select finishes and design options that truly fits their lifestyle. Now, let's take a look at the home we are touring today. This is the Monaco Model from the Ashleaf Collection, with pricing starting from $864,995. This spacious floor plan offers over 3,500 square feet of living space, 5 bedrooms, 3 to 5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Now, as soon as you step inside, you're welcomed by a 2-story foyer that immediately sets the tone for the luxury and the openness you will find throughout the home. One of the biggest highlights of the Monaco is the impressive 2-story great room that serves as the centerpiece of the home. The soaring ceilings and abundance of natural light create an incredible space for both everyday living and entertaining. The gourmet kitchen is designed with both functionality and style in mind. Now, it features a large center island, plenty of cabinet space, and a spacious walk-in pantry. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the casual dining area and the great room, creating an open concept layout that's perfect for hosting gatherings or spending time with your family. And if you enjoy outdoor living, you'll love the covered patio located just off the main living area, providing an ideal space for relaxing or entertaining guests outdoors. The first floor also offers flexible living options with a versatile flex room that can be used as a home office, guest space, or whatever best fits your needs. There's also a spacious bedroom suite on the main level, featuring its own private bathroom and walk-in closet, making it perfect for a guest or multi-generational living. Heading upstairs, you will find the primary suite, designed to feel like a private retreat. The spa-inspired bathroom includes dual vanities, a freestanding soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and a private water closet. The oversized walk-in closet provides plenty of storage space and completes the owner's retreat. The second floor also includes additional bedrooms and the convenience of an upstairs laundry room, making daily living even more functional and efficient. Overall, the Monaco combines elegant design, flexible living spaces, luxury finishes, and the open concept lifestyle so many buyers are looking for today. So if you're thinking about building or purchasing a new construction home anywhere in the Charlotte metro area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this home. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.